All right, so once you want to start making your Google Doc, first thing you want to do is you want to go to Google, and you should be signed in already. But if you're not, here, I'll just sign out. If you're not, you click up here where it says sign in. You put in your first class email address and your password, and you click sign in. Then you can go back up here and go into account settings. Now, I have a whole lot more things than you do, but you should, somewhere you should see something that says docs. Click on that. And then click on create document. First thing you're going to want to do is click up here and rename it. You can call it whatever you want. I'm just going to call it my book report. Now, the book report criteria says you have to have a title page first. So, I'm going to, here, I'm just going to go to, I'm going to look for a book. I saw somebody reading Bunnicula. Okay. So, I'm going to try to find a picture of Bunnicula, of the cover of Bunnicula. So, I'm going to click on this one. So, here's a picture of Bunnicula. So, if I just right click on it and I say copy image, and then I go back to my book report and I right click, oh, it's not going to let me do that? And paste. Oh, okay, so I got this error message. It says instead use Control-C to copy and Control-X to cut and Control-V to paste. So on my keyboard, I'm just going to go Control-V. Come on.
Oh.
There it is. And now I've pasted the copy of the book in here. Now I can click on it, and instead of having it in line with text, I'm going to click right here where it says fixed position, and now I can fly it wherever I want. I can also make it as large as I want to fill up a full page. All right, and so I have done step one. I've got my title page in there because I've got the title of the book and I've got the authors of the book. Okay, so I've just done step one. Now it says I have to write a paragraph. I have to call it main characters, and then I write a paragraph about the characters. Well, first thing I want to do here is I want to make a new page. So I'm going to click on Insert, Page Break. And you see what it did? It put in a second page down here. So now I can just call it Main Characters, hit Enter, and start typing my information about my main characters. But it does say that I have to underline this heading and make it bold. So I'm going to underline my heading of characters. I'm going to click on bold, and I'm probably going to center it too. So I got my main characters, I type it in, and so on. And then I basically just keep on typing. So now I got to make one called setting. Enter, type in my setting information. I'm going to want to make that, highlight it, make it bold, and center it. And that's basically it. I put in a title, and I make sure that I have information about characters, setting, plot, author, and evaluation. One other thing, it does give you some guidelines as to how long it can be. So to figure out how long your this section here is, this main character section, I highlight it. I go to Tools, Word Count, and underneath Selection, I can see that it's 135 words long, and under Document, I have a total of 231 words. Okay? And really, that's going to be about it. You notice that if you make a spelling mistake, well, how about spelling mistake? If you make a spelling mistake, you just right-click on it and pick your... Oh, I didn't spell that close enough. Oh, that's because I forgot my T. Spelling mistake. So you can use the spell checker there. Thank you, Kennedy, for reminding me that I did not underline. It does say I have to underline. So to underline, once you have highlighted and made it bold, just click over here where it says underline, and now that's how you underline it. And there's one other way that you could insert a picture instead of copy and paste. You first of all, you have to have save the image. So once you find your image, just go right click and save image, and then just save it into your pictures. And then when it comes time to put it into your book report, just go insert image and click here where it says choose an image to upload. Navigate to your wherever you have it, and then just click on it and then click on open, and it will upload the picture and it will put it onto the page. And then once again you can move it around and make it the size that you want.